For this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a budget on Excel and put it into a chart when you're finished, so you can compare your charts on what you're planning for on your budget and what you actually spend. Uh, I think the visual representation definitely gives you a better idea of where your money's going, and this will be off like a $2,000 monthly income. Uh, Rent, do 600, 200 for utilities. You always got to keep saving, so 10% usually is a pretty good rule. Um, Groceries like 250. Restaurants another 150. Insurance like 150. Gas like 100. Entertainment probably 100, another 150. And then your difference here is kind of your miscellaneous budget, so it'd be 400, 550, 700. You have 200 left for your miscellaneous. uh, this is what you're shooting for, and then let's say you get to the end of the month and you don't know where your money went, and it really helps to just track your spending and everything and categorize it like this, because it makes you think about each individual purchase a little more, uh, and a lot of times it's groceries uh, that people overspend on, groceries and entertainment usually. So if you have a $400 grocery bill instead of 250 like you had planned, it's obviously going to make a pretty big difference in your budget. Uh, okay. Entertainment, let's say you overspend there too, and then you don't really have anything left in your miscellaneous category. You're actually going to be short. So go in and take like 50 out of here, and then you'll take all this and put it into a chart. Just go up here to insert, and there's your first chart, and here's the second. If I can get them to slide. All right. So this is your first. This is what you're shooting for, and then this is your actual spending. And uh, like I mentioned, I think you can obviously see that you spent a lot more on groceries than you planned on. You spent a lot more on entertainment than you planned on, and I think it gives you just a better representation of how you're spending your money. And that's pretty simple. That's all you have to do to check your budgeting using Excel.